BCOS-184 ई-कॉमर्स BCA 5th सेम का ब्लॉक 1, जिसमें इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ ई-कॉमर्स देख लिए थे, यूनिट 2 देख लिए थे जिसमें था ई-कॉमर्स बिजनेस मॉडल्स, 3 भी देख लिए जिसमें टेक्नोलॉजीज यूज्ड इन ई-कॉमर्स. नाउ यूनिट 4 इनसाइड ब्लॉक 1. ओके, ई गवर्नेंस क्या है तुम लोग सुने ही होगे. तो objectives, this unit aims to help you understand the basic of e-government and e-governance, the difference between e-government and e-governance and e-commerce, the advantages of using digital technologies in e-governance, how e-governance involved using Gather's model, and how India adopted e-governance through Digital India and various initiatives. ठीक है, in simple words, this unit explains how the government uses technologies to serve citizens better. Now go with introduction. The introduction of information and communication technologies, also called digital technologies. मतलब क्या बोल रहा है, introduction and information and communication technologies, also called digital technologies, has changed how government work with changing population needs, political expectations, and rising demands for better public services. Governments across the world started using technology to become more efficient, transparent, and citizen friendly. The major shift happened in the early 1990s with the arrival of www. This made online communication easy and affordable. As a result, government begins offering service online, leading to the emergence of the terms e-government and later e-governance. Real life example: instead of standing in long queue for forms, people can now apply online for services like passports and pay electricity bills. Meaning of e-governance: e-government means using information and communication technologies, especially the internet, to provide government services electronically. Its main goal is to make government work faster, easier, and more efficient. Example of e-government includes online passport application, online railway ticket booking, online payment of electricity and water bills, digital identity cards like Aadhaar. These services are provided through website, mobile app, public services centers such as common services centers. Real life example: applying for a ration card online instead of visiting government offices. Now, e-governance. E-governance is a broader concept than e-government. It is not only include online services delivery but also focus on how citizens interact with government and with each other using digital platforms. E-governance aims to strengthen democracy, increases citizens' participation, improve transparency and accountability. Although the terms e-government and e-governance are often used interchangeably, e-governance has a wide scope because it focuses on empowering citizens, not just delivering services. Real life example: citizens giving feedback on government policies through online platform. Differences between e-government and e-governance. E-government mainly focus on authentication and efficient delivery of public services using technologies. Its objective is administrative efficiency, cost reduction, and fast service delivery. E-governance, on the other hand, focus on citizens' engagement and participation. It enables citizens to take part in online discussions, digital democracy, and policy formulas. It aims to engage, enable, and empower citizens. In short, e-government equal to services delivery, or e-governance citizens participation plus good governance. Difference between e-commerce and e-governance. E-commerce refer to buying. Difference between e-commerce and e-governance. E-commerce refer to buying and selling of goods and services using digital technologies, mainly for profit and commercial gains. The focus is on customer secure transactions and business growth. E-governance focus on public welfare, society utility, and inclusive service delivery. The objective is better governance, transparency, and citizen participation rather than profit. Real life comparison: Amazon sells products, e-commerce, and government providing online certificates is e-governance. Advantages of employing digital technologies in e-governance. So, using digital technologies in e-governance offer many advantages. First, it provides fast and convenient service to citizens. People can access services online without traveling or waiting in queues, reducing time and cost. Second, it helps reduce delays, red tapeism, and corruptions. Digital process increase transparency and accountability, making misuse of power difficult. Third is leads to effective utilization of resources. Digital systems are faster and more efficient than manual paperwork. For it enhance citizens' participations by allowing people to contribute the policy making through online platforms. Finally, digital technologies helps in integrating services across platform, making it easier for citizens to access multiple services from one platform. Real life example: online governance portals where complaints and tracked transparently. Gartner's evaluation models of e-governance. So ये क्या है? इंफॉर्मेशन फेज, इंट्रैक्शन फेज, ट्रांजेक्शन फेज, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फेज, इसमें कुछ है जैसे कि इंफॉर्मेशन फेज, गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड्स इंफॉर्मेशन ऑनलाइन थ्रू वेबसाइट एंड पोर्टल्स. इंट्रैक्शन, citizens interacts with government through online forms, emails and queries. Transaction phase, complete transaction includes payment are done online. Transformation phase में all departments are digitally integrated, offering end-to-end services through one platform using advanced technologies. Okay, अब है e-governance in India. India adopted e-governance gradually to improve public services delivery. Due to its federal structure, e-governance evolved in stages at central, state and local levels. From 1970 to 1990s, establishment of IT-based organization जैसे कि 1970 में डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स हुआ, 1997 नेशनल इंफॉर्मेटिक्स सेंटर, 19 ऑफिस ऑटोमेशन एंड डेटाबेस, NIC, NET, and VST launched a national-wide connectivity. DIS, NIC, district level computerization. 1990s में this expanded all districts. फिर growth from 1992 till now, online railway reservation system बना, 1980 में national task forces IT and 2006 में नेशनल ई गवर्नेंस प्लान आया. 2008 से 13 के बीच आईटी एक्ट अमेंडमेंट, 14 में माई गवर्नेंस प्लेटफॉर्म, 15 में ई क्रांति एंड डिजिटल इंडिया लॉन्च हुआ. डिजिटल इंडिया is a flagship program launched by transforms India into a digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. These three visions areas: infrastructure as a utility to every citizens, governance and services on demand, digital empowerment of citizens. 9 pillar of digital India: broadband, highways, mobile connectivity, public internet access, e-governance, e-kranti, information for all, electronics manufacturing, IT for jobs and early harvested programs. Key initiatives of Digital India: e-name, online agriculture marketplace, fertilizer monitoring system, soil quantity assessment, government and e-marketplace, DigiLocker, digital document storage, and there are few more. Umang, one app for all government services, technologies of India language, national knowledge network. ठीक है ये सारा. State e-governance initiatives, अक्षय कम्युनिटी टेक्नोलॉजी सेंटर, आरटीजी आंध्र प्रदेश में है ये और एंड में हुआ है. रियल टाइम गवर्नेंस डैशबोर्ड है. दिस शोज हाउ स्टेट्स आर ऑल्सो एक्टिवली यूजिंग ई गवर्नेंस. ठीक है, लेट अस सम क्या पढ़े. ई गवर्नेंस इज ट्रांसफॉर्म E-governance has transformed governance by making services faster, transparent, and citizens-centric. Through e-government and e-governance are released. E-governance has a wide scope. India's journey from basic IT infrastructure to digital India affects the strong role of technologies government. So keywords क्या क्या थे पूरा इस यूनिट में? E-governance, digital empowerment of citizens. E-government, online delivery of government services. Digital India, program of digital transformation. साइबर लॉ फ्रेमवर्क, नेशनल ई गवर्नेंस रोड मैप. ठीक है, इसके अंदर में था. नेक्स्ट ये है यूनिट 5. ठीक है, अब इसके बाद ये देखेंगे ई पेमेंट.